Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn about MS Excel's basic. So first, Excel rows and column rows. Spreadsheet are displayed in grid layout. The letters across the top are column headings to highlight an entire column. Click on any of the letters. The image below shows the B column highlighted. You can see after A, column B is highlighted. If you look down the left side of the grid, you shall see numbers which start at number 1 at the very top and go down to over millions. The exact number of rows and columns are 1048576 rows and 16384 columns. You have never going to need this many. You can click a number to highlight an entire row. If you look at the image below, you shall see that row 5 has been highlighted. The image is from Excel 2007. Letter R version are the same except less colorful. Spreadsheets are all about individual cells. A cell is later combined with a number. So if you combine the B column with row 5, you get cell B5. Combine column D with row 5 and you get cell D5. To see this for yourself, click inside any of the cells on your spreadsheet in the image below. We have clicked inside A1 and cell C3. The first picture is column A, row. And the second picture is column C, row 3. C3, notice that cell we click on have a black border around them. This tells you the cell is active. The cell that is active will have its column letter and row number displayed in the top of left, just above the letters. A and B in the pictures. When you click into a cell, you can then type text and numbers. To move around the spreadsheet and make other cells active, you can press your arrow keys and notice how active cells moves. Before going any further, makes sure you understand how the spreadsheet grid works. If you are asked to locate cell H2, you should be able to do so. To make a start well, create this really simple spreadsheet. All we are going to be doing here is entering some text and some numbers. We are not adding anything up yet. Before you tackle this first exercise, though, you may want to take note of the undo feature just in case you make mistake. The undo option is the left curve arrow right at the top of your screen. This one for Excel 2007 users and this one for Excel 2010 and Excel 2013 users. Click the left curve arrow to undo something and click the right curve arrow to redo it. The undo arrow also has a drop down box. Click the small arrow next to undo. See the following. This list is for multiple undos. Move your mouse down the list and click to undo several steps at once. But back to the spreadsheet. Click inside of cell A1 on your spreadsheet and do the following. Type the word numbers with no quotation marks. Hit the enter key on your keyboard. The active cell will move down one to cell A2. Type the number 3 and again hit the enter key on your keyboard. The active cell will move down one to cell A3. Now put the number 6 into cell A3 and the number 9 in cell A4. After you have typed the number 9 and hit the enter key, you should see that cell A5 is now the active cell. You should now have a spreadsheet that looks like what's above. The text we enter in cell A1 is now as heading. It is there just to tell you what the numbers mean, except our heading does not tell us a great deal. Let's change it to something else. Click the link below to learn how to edit text in cell. In the image below you can see what's known as the formula bar. The formula bar is like a long textbook that you can click inside and start typing. Here what it looks like in Excel 2007 and here it is in Excel 2010 and 2013. The to edit a cell Excel, first click inside the cell you want to edit A1 for you us, then click inside the formula bar. Where your cursor is now. The image above shows that cell A1 is active but the cursor is inside of the formula bar. With the cursor in the formula bar, try to changing the next text numbers. To add these numbers, press the enter key. When you have made the change, your spreadsheet should look like ours below. Notice that the active cell is now A2 and that the formula bar has a 3 in it. However, there is a problem. There is not enough room in cell A1 for our new text part. Of it seems to be in the B column. The solution is to widen to whole of column. Try this. Move your mouse up to the start of the A column. The pointer will change shape and now be a black arrow. Move your mouse over the line that separates column A and column B. your mouse pointer will change shape again, this time to across arrows. When you see the new shape, hold down your left mouse button. Keep the left mouse button held down and drag your across to the right once. Once you have all the text in the A column, let go of the left mouse button. The images below show the process in action. The top two are from Excel 2007 and the bottom two are from Excel 10 or 13. You can make height from of the rows bigger or smaller by using exactly the same techniques. The number, however, do not look very tidy. Well, now see how to center them and the text as well. You saw that by clicking inside of a cell, it makes it active so that you can make changes. We want to center all our numbers and the next and the text and the spreadsheet we have. So we need cells A1, A2, A3 and A4 to be active in Excel. You can do this by highlighting the cell. Place your mouse over cell A1. Your pointer should now be the shape of white cross. When your pointer changes to the white cross, hold your left mouse button down and drag to cell A4. Let go of the left mouse button when cells A1, A2, A3 and A4 are highlighted. The image below show what you are aiming for. From the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen, locate the alignment panel. Here is the alignment panel in Excel 2007 and here it is in Excel 2010 and 2013. You can see the various alignment options. Lay out these ones. Hold your mouse over each alignment icon and you shall see an explanation of what they do. Click each icon and see what they do to your highlighted cells. You can also click the arrow in the bottom right of the alignment panel to bring up the format cells box, the one circle below. Notice the text alignment section at the top of the alignment tab. It has two drop down menus, one of horizontal alignment and one of vertical alignment. Click the arrow on the horizontal drop down menu, the one with left indent on it. You shall see the following. The text and numbers in cells A1, A2, A3 and A4 should now be centered and your spreadsheet will look like the one below. Before moving on to other types of formatting you can do in Excel, have a try of this. Highlight the cells A5 and A6 on your spreadsheet. Bring up the format cells dialog box just as you did above. Now that your spreadsheet is coming along nicely, you want to save your work to save your spreadsheet. Change the background color of cell. To change the background color of cell, you first have to highlight the ones you want to alter. We shall start with the cells A2 to A5. So highlight these cells on your spreadsheet with the cells A2, A5 highlighted. Locate the font panel on the ribbon at the top of the Excel. The image below is from Excel 27. Later versions are the same but less colorful. Locate the paint bucket and click the arrow just to right of it. You shall see some colors appears. Move your mouse over any of the color and the cells will change automatically. You can then see what the new color looks like. Click with the left mouse button to set the color you want. If you do not like any of the colors displayed, click on more colors. How to merge the cells? If you look at row 1, you shall see that the shopping bill heading stretches across 3 cells. This is not 3 separate cells with a colorful change for each individual cell. The A1, B1 and C1 cells were merged. To merge cells, do the following. Type the word shopping bill into cell A1 of the spreadsheet. Highlight the cell A1, B1 and C1 on the alignment panel of the Excel ribbon. Locate the merge and center items. Click the down arrow to see the following options. Merge and center. Merge across. Click on the merge and center. Your 3 cells will then become one. A1 to be exact. Okay, now that you know how to merge cells, have a go at the following review on the next page. It will test your new skill. Reproduce the simple spreadsheet below. From junk food addict, you can pick up your own colors of the cells and data, but try to include everything that's in the image. Okay friends, today we learn Excel rows and columns, enter text and number in cell, how to edit text in a cell, how to center text and numbers, font formatting, change color, or how to save your worksheet, and how to merge cells. Review number 1. Okay friends,